If you're trying to make a post inside of your Instagram and you're getting a error message, this is likely due to a small glitch which you can easily fix within a couple of steps. So the first thing that you can try out is try to see if your internet connection is stable. If you're currently on a Wi-Fi connection, you can try switching to a cellular data and vice versa. The second thing that you can try out is try to clear the app from the recent app list and then try open it up again and try re-uploading. This step does not work either. The third thing that you can try out is try to clear the data and cache of your Instagram app. You can just tap and hold the app of Instagram, head over to app info. From this settings, you'll see the option called clear data. You can just tap on this option. What this will do is log you out of your Instagram account, so you'll need to log in back. Apart from this, what you can also try out is try to uninstall the app of Instagram from your phone and then again re-download and log in. By doing these couple of steps, you'll fix the likely glitch, which is the Instagram post upload error. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for this one.